Wagwan, this is a Crefton News and this is your 7-day weather report. As you can see, the map look a little different because we're not talking about New York, we're talking about Miami and Miami Carnival. Today 88 degrees, Tuesday we don't really too care about that because nobody not really too flying yet. Locals are not depend on their own. Wednesday, this is a good time now, 90 degrees, you know. This is the time when the people are going to trickle in and them thing that the people we are stay with 9 people, try to find somewhere close to the AC for sleep because they don't know it ever hot. You understand? Thursday now, at them time the cocky start swing. You hear me I tell you? The man them right now, I'm telling you something right now. If you're woman gone to Miami Carnival and you're not dead, all when you're dead, she'll get killed, but when you're not dead, try no say she'll get fuck out. You understand what I say? And that's the thing there. And the man them will never get no pum pum back in New York. Don't come to Miami, come ask the girl them from the front, you know. You not get it. You understand? Friday now, 90 degrees again. Take off clothes. Me if you see some girl walk up and down on South Beach with some big heavy jeans and some tall shirt and everything. Take off clothes, put on a pum pum shirt, put on a bikini if you have a